Welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny and today I am going to be doing a wash day. This video is previously recorded, but I just wanted to get it out, and I am doing a voiceover. I am not that good at voiceovers. I feel like I'm terrible at them, but yeah, so I am just going to be doing voiceover throughout the video. And so we're starting off with freshly pre-pooed hair. So that is, I did a hot oil treatment, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair 3 times. And the first shampoo is from Lush. It is the Wasabi Shinki, I think that's how you pronounce it, shampoo. So it does have this gross looking green color. It looks like Shrek green to be honest with you, but it does have actually a really good smell to it, and it leaves like a cooling feeling on the scalp. That's why I like to use it. I did buy a smaller bottle to test it out to see if it is worth the money, because it is a little pricey. Lush is pretty pricey, but their products are vegan and they're like, you know, they use pretty clean products. They're just pricey. So I would say this one is great if you want a clarifying shampoo, but just keep in mind that it is a little stripping and it is pricey. So I definitely do think you can find better clarifying shampoos. But the reason I do wash my hair 3 times, because I know everyone's like, well, why do you wash your hair 3 times? The first shampoo I feel like is important just to get in there, and the second shampoo, and oh, I do go in with my next shampoo is the Bread Clear Wash shampoo, and this shampoo is very clarifying. I love this shampoo. It is my go-to clarifying shampoo when I want to get all that gunk out of my hair, because I wash my hair every 2 weeks, so I want to make sure my second shampoo is clarifying. But the reason why I go in with 3 shampoos is because the first one I feel like is never enough. So the first one is just like a regular wash. The second one I always make sure is a clarifying shampoo. And then the next one after that is my moisturizing shampoo. So the moisturizing shampoo just brings the moisture back in my hair basically. But yeah, you can grab any clarifying shampoo you want. You really only have to shampoo twice, I would say, for the most part. But I just like to go in with that moisturizing shampoo last. But most people will just shampoo their hair twice. But I do think 1 shampoo is just never enough. So at least 2 shampoos. But yeah, so my next shampoo is the Honey Cinnamoroll moisturizing shampoo. And as you can see, my face was like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this wash day, I'm going to be using mostly Japanese products instead of mostly Japanese products, but the only Japanese products I didn't use in the video is the first 2 shampoos I used. But the Cinnamoroll and Honey shampoo, that is a Japanese product. I did buy these products from Japan. They were shipped to me from Japan, but I did pay for them with my own money. I just wanted to get them because they have Cinnamoroll on them, and I love Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll is pretty much just a cute little Cinnamoroll tailed dog, and he's so cute. So he's my favorite Sanrio character, if it's not too obvious, because his picture is all over my YouTube channel. But yeah, so I rinsed it out and it felt really good on my hair. Like, that shampoo is so moisturizing. And the reason I want to use Japanese products in this video is simply because, like, I wanted to try and see what the hype was with Japanese products. I've heard so many good things about them, and honestly, I am already super impressed. That shampoo was moisturizing. It felt good on the hair. It did not strip my hair. It brought the moisture back in my hair from those other 2 shampoos that dried out my hair. And so I used the matching conditioner, which is the Honey Cinnamoroll Smooth Moisture Treatment. So it does say it's a treatment, so I think it's basically, I think you can use it as a treatment and just leave it longer on your hair, or you can just use it as a regular conditioner, which is basically what I did. I used it as a regular conditioner and it felt so good on my hair. When I say immediate moisture, it detangled my hair, and my hair gets pretty tangled after 3 shampoos, but it brought that moisture back in my hair. I absolutely love that shampoo and conditioner. I will be buying the Anne Honey products again because they are very good. They're very moisturizing. You can get them on Amazon, not that specific Cinnamoroll brand, but you can get the Anne Honey products off Amazon. And the rest of the Japanese products I'm going to show in this video will basically be from Amazon, but just these specific like 2 or 3 products with Cinnamoroll on them, I did get those from Japan. But yeah, as you can see, I am so in love with my hair. I only left it on for a few minutes because I did go in with a deep conditioner, which you do not have to go in with a deep conditioner. I just chose to do it for the video, but I did not lose much hair, as you can see. And rinsing it out, my hair just felt so amazing. My hair was pretty much ready to be dried and styled just from that conditioner. And I really could have just left it on my hair a few more minutes and called it a day, but yeah. So I would suggest the Anne Honey brand. It is really good. So I just rinsed that out, and then I went in next with the deep conditioner. Now the deep conditioner I used was I was in love with my hair. But the next conditioner I used was the Fino Deep conditioner. So this is also a Japanese product. This one I did get off Amazon. So as I was putting it on my hair, honestly, it just had a weird silicone feeling, which I was aware that, and it didn't smell like anything either. I was trying to see if it smelled good. It did not smell good. It didn't smell like anything. But the reason I got this specific deep conditioner is because it went viral on TikTok and it went viral online, and people are saying how it gives you glass hair, how it's supposed to make your hair look super shiny and super healthy, and it makes your hair feel really good. If I'm being honest, I did not see that. I was not feeling it. And honestly, I'm so glad I conditioned with my other conditioner first, because this conditioner really didn't add any much moisture to my hair. It just felt like it was sitting on top of my hair. So I was thankful that I did condition first, because it just kind of sat in my hair. But I did try to give it a chance, so I am going to let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. I put my plastic cap on, and I will be back after I'm done letting it sit. Okay, so after about an hour, I did rinse out the deep conditioner, and as you can see, my hair looks about the same. It does not look any more shiny to me. It just felt like it really did not do anything to my hair. It doesn't feel better, like it just feels okay. But anywho, so the next product is a leave-in. It's called the ICHIKAMI. I think it's pronounced leave-in conditioner. So this is supposed to moisturize your hair and help also repair your hair. I think that was what was on the ingredients thing. I was a little heavy-handed with it because it is a cream leave-in, so I'm sure less is more when it comes to that product. But it did smell really good. It smelled like cherry blossoms. Like, it smelled very good. So I love like a good smelling feeling in my hair. I love when my hair smells good as well as being clean. So, and I'm just going to add my rosemary to my scalp. I always add my rosemary to my scalp. It helps my hair to grow. I only put it on my scalp, and I only put a little bit, and it's just a leave-in that's going to help promote growth in my hair over time, basically. And so I'm just going through and I'm putting it on each section on my scalp. And oh, and as for the leave-in, the slip is really good. Like, it feels really good. And that ICHIKAMI leave-in, I did get that one off Amazon as well. It was pretty affordable. It was less than, I would say, about $15. I think it was about $12, or even maybe even cheaper than that. But it did help me to detangle my hair. I really did like it. And so after I put all those products in, I do use a microfiber towel, and I do let my hair just air dry with these products in for usually about 30 minutes or 15 minutes, or it's just depending on how much time I have. And I just let it sit in there before I come back and blow dry my hair. But yeah, so, and I am back. I put on a little bit of makeup because I feel like I was looking kind of crazy, because I just hate getting on camera without makeup. It's so weird to me. But yeah, so I am going to use the Kenra Platinum Blowout Spray and the Color Wow Dream Coat. Those are my go-tos. I will use those irregardless, no matter what. And then, as you can see, I'm just using my Dyson to blow dry my hair. And over time, I really do like, as I've been adding the Dyson to my routine, I will have to say, even though it is a pricey product, I will say if you can get it on sale, and if you style your hair often and you don't go to the hair salon often, things like that, I would say the Dyson is worth it if you do your own hair a lot. Now, if you don't do your own hair a lot, I don't think the Dyson is worth the money. But I think it's a good investment for people who do their own hair often and blow dry their hair often. So yeah, because it is a pretty good product, and it's long lasting because of the quality. But yeah, so I'm just going through and blow drying my hair. And like I said, I was expecting to see my hair look a little bit shinier, but nope. That deconditioner, all the hype with that Fino deconditioner was just that. It was hype, because I was waiting to see the glass hair. I did not see it. But I was like, well, let me maybe flat iron my hair and maybe I'll see it. Didn't see it when I flat ironed my hair either. So yeah, that one's a thumbs down. So thumbs up to the shampoo and conditioner, the Cinnamoroll shampoo and conditioner. So And Honey is a great product for it's a great shampoo and conditioner, so I would suggest that. The Fino deconditioner, don't waste your money. And the ICHIKAMI leave-in, that one is just okay. You can find better. You can really just stick with the Dream Coat like most people do, the Color Wow Dream Coat, and that'll get your hair right every time. So yeah, so but my hair's still feeling really good. It doesn't feel weighed down or anything. And then I did flat iron it, so I kind of skipped through that process, but my hair looks good. But and I'm just showing you kind of the length because I'm wearing a black shirt, so it's showing you how it feels. Feels really good. So overall, the Japanese products I would say are good. Oh, and I did have the Cinnamoroll. I think it's a smoothing moisture oil, I think it is. And again, that stuff smells so good. It smells like candy. So it is a little heavy, but I would say that it is good if your hair is if your hair is curly, it won't be too much. But if your hair is straight, I would probably only use it maybe like one time during your before you wash your hair. But yeah, as a leave-in, it gets kind of heavy, but it smells so good. I was in love with the smell. So yeah, but overall, I would suggest the shampoo, the conditioner, the oil, and the leave-in if you are interested in trying Japanese products. So yeah, that's my first Japanese review of those products. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe and share if you care. Thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.